Don't you think doing business without advertisement is like winking at a girl in the dark? My point is, advertisement plays an important role in business. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'll be starting with a new series where I talk about different categories of Forbes 30 under 30. So the people who wish to be here know the details, know the people who are already in the list, and the most important, to understand you can make it here only if you enjoy doing what you do and follow your passion. In this video, I'll be talking about a startup in the field of advertisement and marketing, the stories of the owner, and to tell you what you can do in this industry. To tell you a bit about myself, I'm Sakshi Garje. I'm a 19-year-old pursuing graphic design, a content creator, and here to do my bit by doing things for betterment. Marketing is a business practice which includes identifying, predicting, and meeting the needs of the consumer. Effective business strategies help the businesses to understand what works for the client. In B2C marketing, that is business to consumer, efforts are directed towards the consumer. In B2B marketing, that is business to business, efforts are directed towards other businesses. Today, there are several types of marketing which include digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to application of marketing strategies to electronic communication devices such as computers and smartphones. Digital marketing strategies often leverage search engines, website, emails, blogs, and other techniques to reach to their customer. The next one is social media marketing. It is a subset of digital marketing. Social media marketing uses platforms such as Facebook and Twitter to reach their potential clients. The companies take advantage of the earned platform by an individual outside the organization. This marketing method is evolving into influencer marketing, where a popular influencer promotes the company's products and services. The next is global marketing. Between internet and globalization, some of the big brands have now become global brands. According to global marketing strategy, it enables the companies to employ a unified strategy to reach national, international, local, and regional customers at the same time. Next one is brand management. Brand management often tries to create a bond between a customer and a particular company. To do so, they need to evaluate the products and the services of a company, as well as they look into logo design, packaging, and other elements. Brand management also focuses on other aspects such as the target market, the existing relationship with the customer, and the direct profit. The last one is product development. Product development is a process of transforming a business opportunity into a sellable product or a service. Product development can be done with existing product or a new product. Successfully developing a new product includes different concepts of marketing such as identification of the needs of client and research of market and analysis. Before I tell you who made it to the list, don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe. So the first person who made it to the list is Niharika Kapoor. She is the youngest and first female business lead at YouTube India. She's an economics graduate. She played an important role in launching the most innovative programs in the region, including NextUp. First co-branded NextUp with L'Oreal and FanFest. Niharika says success and failure both are opportunities for learning and growth. I strongly believe the harder I work, the luckier I get. Working hard is the only part of the equation that I can focus on. So let's focus on that, says Niharika. So now let's talk about the second person who made it to the list, Shifali Vijay Varkia. She completed her MBA from Institute of Rural Management, Anand. She joined Amul as an area sales manager in 2016. The big task was to launch Dice Cheese in Gujarat. Dice Cheese in Gujarat was sold to institutional users. This segment was dominated by the rivalries who had strong network in distribution in B2B business. It was more challenging for her because of her gender. She was a newcomer, too young and a woman. She was not taken seriously by trade partners. She did not give up. She started building a rapport with the major institutional buyers, from arranging meetings with different stakeholders to launching conferences, extensive sampling to demonstrate the product quality. She took an aggressive approach to push the new product. Hard work paid off. In 2017, she was tasked with a new product, Amul Cool. The hustle during the debut year prepared her for the struggle in the pandemic year. The major challenges were distribution and logistics of the product during the peak sale in the month of summer. She brought new ideas and concepts to the table which will increase the distribution of the product. She was now being recognized. She took the brand to the new level. The mantra for this young achiever seems to be like to stay cool. So now let me tell you about the top 5 career options if you want to work in advertisement and marketing industry. The best part is you don't need to worry about which education field you belong to. If you have the skill, go and grab the opportunity. So the first one is content writer. If you like to write about different topics and have the expertise, here you go. The work really needs to be good to create desired traffic and number of clicks on the website of the company. The second one is social media executive, where creativity meets consistency. Nowadays, every business is going online. To create posts that will go on social media channels of the company on daily basis is the work of a social media executive. It needs a lot of creativity. The third one is a graphic designer. Appealing things attract more audience, so the graphic designer are surely in demand. They create beautiful posts, product design and applications. Knowledge of Adobe and Photoshop is must for them. Advertising expert. If you know how to run Google or Facebook ads, here you go. Creating ad strategies and allocating budget to different ads is the work of the advertisement expert. Last one is advertisement agencies. They work with a huge variety of advertisement strategies to create marketing campaigns according to the need of the client. They work really close with the client to gather information and pitch ideas about the marketing campaigns. They also work in a creative process which includes creating and distribution of ads which include both online and print ads. So it can be concluded that marketing is the heartbeat of every successful business. It is continuously changing in the response of information, technology, competition at all levels. Every business strategy is a marketing strategy. Your ability to think clearly, to upgrade and change your activity is the key to the future business. Fortunately, all business activities and marketing activities can be learned by practice, experimenting and making mistakes. So the key is to only test, test and test. That's it for this video guys. You know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe.